And if you're one of those people who hates In-N-Out fries, I can't be your friend. In-N-Out fries are the best. You're just doing it wrong. You gotta get the spread on the side. Hey guys, Noah here. Today I'm going to be driving to In-N-Out and taking you guys with me. I'm going to be getting some delicious lunch, and I just want to have like a little story time with you guys and share a funny story with you. So grab a snack because this is going to be like a long, weird story. So let's get driving. So I'm here in the drive-through line right now. It is crazy long as always. I did text my fiance and see if he wanted anything, so I'm also gonna get him some food as well, and I'll take that home for him, but I'm still gonna eat and talk to you guys in the car. So yeah, look at this crazy line. It's all the way back. Actually, to be honest, I come to In-N-Out a lot and this is not so bad. The story I'm going to be telling you guys today is actually how I became a vegetarian, and it's a pretty weird story. It almost sounds made up, but I promise it's real. And I did verify with my dad that this really happened, because I was like, am I making this up? Is it all in my head? But I did talk to him about it like a year ago, and I was like, did this really happen? And he was like, wow, I don't remember like that specifically, but yeah, that probably really happened. So my mom and sisters don't remember it, but I was 6 years old when it happened, and that means my sister was probably like 4.5, almost 5, and my other sister wasn't even born yet, so my mom was probably pregnant and she probably wasn't paying attention. So yeah, if you ask them, that's why they probably don't remember, but I remember it very clearly and vividly, certain parts of it, so I'm excited to tell you guys the story. Let's order this food. This line is moving fast, so I'm excited. I'm gonna pause you guys right here. Hi, can I please get 2 grilled cheese, one with onions and one without?
Okay.
1 order of fries, and then an order of animal fries with no onions.
Okay. Okay. That's gonna be $11.94 for Cinder.
Okay, thank you. What do you guys think of my mask? I love it. I actually had it sewn and shipped to me from my fiance's mom. She's really good at sewing, so she sent me over quite a few masks. This one and then this blue one that she made is my favorite. I think like the whole having stylish masks thing is kind of dumb, but I don't know, just having it be not like just an ugly white or blue mask makes it a little bit more like, I don't know, like I don't feel bad for wearing it, you know what I mean? But yeah, I just ordered my food. I'm so excited. I'm like drooling already. Hey guys, so my food came. So I get a grilled cheese with no onions. It basically has everything else that an In-N-Out burger has. And then I get the animal fries. Normally I don't, but today I treated myself. I always start with eating the fries, so I'm just gonna start. Oh, and I did get peppers. If you don't get peppers, and like what I do is I bite into it and then I squirt it on my fries. Bomb if you haven't tried it. Oh my god, it's so good. I just realized something I forgot. Before we eat, I already ate a little bit, but before we eat, hand sandy, clean. So as you can see, I feel like a lot of people don't know that you can enjoy these fast food places that you've always enjoyed, like In-N-Out, McDonald's, whatever, without eating meat. I have a lot of friends who eat meat and they still prefer grilled cheese at In-N-Out because it's so good. Why not have a meal where you don't have to eat meat? You know, you don't have to eat it in every meal that you have. Obviously, you can't eat it if you're vegan. All the cheese. The sauce is not vegan. This is why I could never become vegan. No, I'm just kidding. I could. But right now I just don't want to. Alright, so you guys already know I became vegetarian when I was 6 years old. What happened was, my family, well, my dad mostly, is very religious. He's Jewish and very strict, like follows everything, but my mom is not. So we kind of had the option of whether to be religious or not. But anyways, when you're really religious, you eat kosher, obviously. So he always ate kosher, of course, but I guess if you kill the animal yourself, or like a rabbi or someone, I don't know, does it, it's even more like sacred or something, or like better to eat it. I don't know. Don't quote me. But one day I woke up. It was the morning. I'm 6 years old. And I look out my window. We lived upstairs, but we had a backyard. It was like a duplex. Look out the window. I see a chicken. Why is there a chicken in my yard? Clucking around, running around. Remember, it moved really fast. Being a kid, my first thought was, oh my god, I have to go play with this chicken. Like, I have to. It's so cool. Never seen anything like it, you know? As soon as I like start getting ready to go outside, somebody told me I couldn't. I don't know if it was my mom or my dad or somebody, but they were like, oh no, you can't go play with that chicken. It's not for playing. And I was like, that's weird. So I just stood and watched through the window, being a good kid. Hold on. Shortly after, I see a truck pulling into our driveway. The driveway leads to the backyard. It's like a driveway and then the yard. So they're pulling into the driveway. Stop before getting into the backyard, and I see a sheep and some other things moving around on the truck. Like, it was like a truck bed, you know? Like, this is so weird. Why are all these animals here, you know? Didn't think anything of it, but was told I couldn't play with it. I think I had a really hard time with not being able to play with it, if I remember correctly. But, you know, I do what I was told. And next thing I know, the truck leaves with all the animals. I didn't see them get loaded up or loaded out or what happened. I don't know what I was doing. But the truck leaves. Didn't think anything of it. Maybe like a long time later, like that was in the morning, maybe like 6, 7, 8 a.m. Then around like 1, 2, 3, my dad comes home with friends, and he always hung out with friends. Like, there are always people at my house. They go into the backyard with a barbecue, and they're grilling. Totally normal. This happens all the time. Making burgers, kebabs, who knows what else, right? I'm thinking this is weird. So as a kid, I know this is odd. I'm thinking about it. I don't know how I came to this realization, but I somehow realized, holy shit, they're barbecuing the animals that were just here a second ago. No clue how that came to my mind. I'm 6 years old, but it did. So I realized that they offered me food, but once it was done, but I never really ate that type of food. My mom always made me lunches, and you know, me and my sisters didn't really eat a lot. Like, we're all small, so we never ate like heavy meats or anything. So I don't know what I ate that day, but the next day after that, crazy guy walking by. Just let him go. LA is so full of crazies, man. Sorry guys, he was like legit talking to himself, and I didn't want to see him to see me with my camera. Anyway, so I think this was probably a different day, the next thing that happened, but maybe it was the same day. Honestly, I don't remember. Hold on, I have to say goodbye to this. Oh my god. Holy shit. In-N-Out's the best. Oh. If you don't like In-N-Out, I don't know what's wrong with you. Okay. Let me pause. So it was like the next day or something like that. We're all eating, and there was like a soup or something I remember, and it had meat in it, like chicken or something. And I asked my mom, I said, Mom, does this, well, I said Ima, because I don't say mom, I say Ima, that's how you say mom in Hebrew. But I said, Ima, does this chicken that we're eating, is this chicken or something? And she said, yeah. And I said, does the chicken have a mom? And she said, well, yeah, the chicken has a mom, but, you know, we eat chicken. And I said, but I wouldn't want somebody to eat you. Like, why are we eating someone else's, like, baby or mom or whatever? And she's like, you can't think about that. You just have to eat it. And I said, I'm not eating that shit. You're telling me, like, I didn't say this, but I was like, you're telling me as a kid I have to eat something that somebody else loves? No, it's not happening. So that's how I became a vegetarian. And it was from seeing those animals come to my backyard and then eating them, basically. I didn't see them die or anything like that, but my dad said that, you know, they probably went somewhere, killed them, and then came back and barbecued. I don't know what the fuck's going on. That's some weird shit. But we're in Los Angeles. We're in a big city. We're not in a small town to be doing that, you know? But never ate meat again after that. I would never go back to eating meat. I'm never eating somebody else's mom, brother, sister, cousin, aunt, whatever. I don't care if they're stupid and they don't know that they have a mom or sister. We don't know if they feel love. We don't know. So just why am I gonna risk it? Like, I'm perfectly fine not eating meat. I love eating. I'm a big foodie. I go out to eat a lot. You can ask my friends. So there's no reason that I have to eat meat. I feel great. I look great. Yeah. That's my story. I'm like nervous to even share this story. Like, that's how weird I think it is. My last bite. This is so sad. I'm gonna enjoy it though. Here's my boyfriend's order. Shh, don't tell him. Hope you guys stuck around for my weird story. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys have any similar stories like that, or let me know how you guys, or why you guys became a vegetarian. I'm super curious now. But yeah, that's the end of it. I will see you guys next time. Let me know if there's somewhere else you want me to go grub on and another story time you guys want. Let me know. Don't forget to like this video if you did, and if you made it this far, you definitely did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have so many fun videos, as I mentioned before, coming out, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. If you made it this far, I want to remind you guys that at 500 subscribers, when me and my friend Amaryllis Rivera hits 500 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway, and it's going to be an Amazon gift card. We all love Amazon, so definitely gotta get us up to 500 subscribers. Share the videos with your friends, with your coworkers, share the videos with your family. Definitely do all you can to spread the word so we can do that giveaway. And if you made it this far to the end of the video, comment down below elephant, because I want to know how many people made it this far. Let me know. Comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!